Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica with Confessions of a Homeschooler, and today we are going to be unboxing the Classic Box from Precuts Quilt Shop. If you are unfamiliar with the Classic Box, it's a sewing and quilting monthly subscription box, and they have a couple different ones you can choose from. I just filmed the Stash Builder box, which mainly focuses on fabric. Today we're going to be opening the Classic Box, and this one focuses on fabric plus patterns plus fun notions, so you can kind of choose which one goes best with your needs. And they also, I believe, have a table runner box as well. So check out the website. The link will be in the description box below, and you can see the variety of boxes they offer and all the information on them. But let's go ahead and get opening this month's box. So this is the April 2019 Classic Box, and the first thing that always comes in here is a little info pamphlet, and it's a nice cardboard pamphlet. It tells you everything that comes in your box. It has information on the pattern. It has pricing on here, and then it also has ways to share their box. They're doing a special promotion where if you share their box on Instagram, you can get your next box free if you get chosen. They do one box for subscribers that have completed the monthly project, and then one for the best display or video about the subscription box. And if you share them using hashtag Precuts Quilt Box or Precuts Quilt Shop, that will enter you in to win your box. So if you've gotten one of these boxes, make sure to take a picture and share it on social media, and you have a chance to win your next month's box for free. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with the pattern just because that's kind of what I pulled out first. And I'm just going to take it out of here so you guys can hopefully see it a little bit better. This one's by Figtree, and this is called Hankies, and these are super duper cute. Look at those. So there's a layer cake hanky and a charm pack hanky, and they're two different sizes. The charm pack one finishes at 40 by 40, so kind of a table topper size. The layer cake one finishes at 55 by 63, so kind of like a lap size throw quilt. Super, super cute. And this pattern is really nice, high quality. It's color pictures inside. Everything is super well written out, and there are graphics for everything, which is also really, really helpful. So I think this would be a really fun pattern. Looks fairly beginner friendly. There is an option for some applique stuff on here if you prefer to do that. So that is super cute as well. Yeah, loving this for sure. So that is the pattern in this month's box. And this pattern is retailing for $9.75. All right, the next thing in our box here is this magnetic pin box, and this is by Riley Blake Designs. And you just open it up here, and it's got a cute little saying in the top. And then of course this is magnetic so that you can put all of your pins and goodies in here and they'll stay put. Super cute tin. So the tin size is 2.5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And it's retailing at $6.99. And I don't know if they sent out different colors. Mine is kind of a nice light green color. Super cute. I'm definitely excited to have this. My daughters will probably try and steal it from me though, because they always try and take these cute little pins from me. But yeah, super happy to have that. Okay, and then of course, to go along with our little pin box, we have some cute little pins in here, and these are retailing at $5.90, and there are 100 sewing pins in there. These are by HOLT, and they're her Pretty Pins series, and they are steel and plastic. And I don't know if you can see the design on here. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. See if I can open these without spilling them all over for you guys. Here they are, and they have cute little jewels on the ends of the pins, so those are really cute. I think they'll also be really nice and easy to grip as well. So super cute, and then they come in this little pin box. Now I'm reading their thing here, their little pamphlet here, and it says that you could either have gotten these pins or possibly also one of the Cute Cuts rulers by HOLT. I got the pins and not the ruler, so some of you may have a ruler in your box. Either way, I think either one of them would be really cute. The ruler on here is showing the pink one, and it looks like it's maybe the 1.5 by 6.5 inch ruler is what I'm guessing, just based off their picture. So. All right, the next thing in our box is this METTLER silk finish 50 weight corsage thread, and Egyptian cotton. It says it retails for $3.25, and this one is a really pretty kind of a coral color. Of course, it I'm sure is going to be going with the Figtree fabric that I can see peeking out of my box. So super cute, and that gets added to my thread wall over here. And Yeah, I always love getting these fun colors. I use them for binding. You can also use them for quilting, free motion quilting, if you want your quilting to show up. And then of course you can just use them when you're piecing, but I kind of tend to keep the fun thread. I use white thread for piecing, and then I keep the fun thread for something that's going to be on the outside that you can see, a little bit more decorative. So this is a really pretty fun summery color. Okay, the next thing we have in here is some fabric, and I have a couple different things here to show you. So we've got, there we go. We've got a Chantilly charm pack. This is of course from Figtree for Moda. And I'll try and kind of flip through these a little bit for you so you can kind of see. I'm sure they'll have pictures. I don't want to take apart the charm pack though, because they're really, really hard to get stacked back together. But they've got their classic Figtree colors on here. There's that tan. These are such fun summer colors. Whenever I see Figtree, I really always am thinking about sitting on the front porch with this lovely summer quilt, drinking a little bit of tea and just kind of enjoying the day. So here's some yellow and then some white. And so you have a charm pack, and then along with that, there are also coordinating fabrics, and this is so that you can make this. It's basically the quilt kit for the Hankies tabletop, and it's for the smaller version. But still, this is a good pile of fabric right here, you guys. It's pretty orangish, kind of corally color. And then this nice kind of aqua. I'm hoping you can see that there's tiny little kind of little flowers on there. It's not flowers, it's, I forget what they're called, like little sprigs. So here's kind of what it looks like all bundled up, and that again is enough fabric. And then with the charm pack, that's enough fabric to complete the 40 by 40 quilt top, the table runner quilt top, and so super, super cute. I'm definitely gonna have to make this one. Let's just take a look back at that pattern, shall we? Look at how cute that is. Oh my word. All right, and there's one more thing in here, and this is a stacking organizer, a 6" by 9" bamboo organizer. Perfect for keeping small piecing together or organizing your drawer. It can also be stackable, so you can mix and match them. And this is retailing for $7.99, and it looks like it's about, let's see, almost 2 inches tall. Just shy of 2 inches tall, so 6 by 9, and then about 2 inches high. So here's my finger. There you can kind of see how tall it is. And all of these goodies kind of came piled in this box, which I thought was really, really cute. I'm always a sucker for little organizers and things like that. You can always find things to put in these, keep your pins or your notions, and then you can just kind of move this tray around with you as you're going, and they don't go all over your table. So I'm really excited to see something like this in my box. And then as an added bonus, they did stick in a Happy Mother's Day card, which I thought was super sweet. It's just a nice little personal touch, and since this is Mother's Day coming soon and you're just now getting your April boxes, I just thought this was a cute little addition. And I'm not gonna read the message, there's something special inside there for you, but I don't want to blow the surprise. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box. Shipping for this month's box was $8, and the total box value for the April box was $78.88, which I think is a great value. So that is what is in the April 2019 classic box from Precuts Quilt Shop. And honestly, you guys, I am having a hard time picking. I think I like everything that came in this month's box, especially this little holder, and yeah, I really just love everything that came in this month's box. I have to say, this is my 3rd month doing their boxes, and I have been pleasantly surprised with the contents of their boxes. I feel like they really go out of their way to put interesting things in there. A lot of times there are things that I haven't had before. I'm also really happy with their fabric selections. They've been pretty bright and cheery and colorful and seasonal, and I really just think you get a good value for the cost of this box. So yeah, I don't think I could have been disappointed in anything in this box this month. Everything is just lovely. I love the colors. I love Figtree, so that also helps. So having a whole big stash of it is really kind of nice. And I'm actually really excited to get started on this pattern. It's so cute. I just love everything in this box. So I think they did a great job. I think they're doing a great job, and I'm really excited to see a new vendor pop up. Their boxes have just been a delight to unbox for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. I love doing unboxings for you. That way you can see what comes in these boxes before you decide to spend your money on them. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.